Okay, once again, turn your head to the left. Yeah, stay there, relax. See if you got any tenderness here. Yeah, probably a little tender. I'm gonna go up in here. Let's see, that's the tender area right there, huh? A little bit?
A little bit.
Okay, just big breath in and let it go. Perfect. Okay, turn your head to the other side. Yeah. That's what they call the Great Reset. That's the reboot button. Power is on. If I were to do one thing, I do that. Most likely to affect the brainwave patterns, the autonomic nervous system, get you into more of a rested state. Yeah, that's probably a little tender in there. Not bad, good, yeah, right there. Okay, whew, come back to center. Okay. Go ahead now, gently push your forehead down against the table. No. Just relax. Push your chin down against the table. Not really. One more time, forehead. Push your forehead down. Okay. It's looking pretty good. I mean, that's what we want. Just relax. No pop and drop.